Am I the a-hole for telling my dad's girlfriend that she's a gold digger? My dad is pretty rich and he's retired at 50. He was dating a woman, Laura, for a couple of years, and it worried me that she was just after his money. She's only 35. My dad said that he would never marry or have any more kids besides me, 24 mil, because he wants to leave everything to me. Last year, Dad texted me and said that he has some good news about him and Laura. I thought they were going to get married and I was going to tell him to get a prenuptial to make sure that our family money stays in the family. Okay, this guy's already starting to piss me off. No, he and Laura were gonna have a baby. I told my dad that he was gross for having a kid at 50 and now he's on the hook financially. He said he was thrilled to become a dad again. I told Laura that she was disgusting for tricking my dad into becoming a dad. Okay, that sounds so stupid. And she's not getting any of his money when he dies. My dad has like $5 million in life insurance policies. She said that she was insulted by what I said, and I said I was gonna call out gold diggers when I see them. Of course, ever since my brother was born, she keeps asking him to change his will. I told my dad that she should just get a job and not try and live off of him. So am I the a-hole? I am actually hoping that this one is a joke because the OP in this story sounds so entitled and disrespectful. Like, how are you worried about this woman being a gold digger when you're literally a gold digger yourself? Like, it makes no sense. Just because that's his dad doesn't mean that he has the right to his money. Are you kidding me? A bottom line is OP is a 25-year-old man and he needs to mind his own business and move on. My heart wants to say that he's a 10 out of 10 a-hole, but my brain says that he's an 8 out of 10 because obviously there's worse that he could do, but I literally can't stand him. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think about this situation. Am I the a-hole for not allowing my brother to bring a +1 to my wedding? Me and my fiance want to have a nice day celebrating our commitment to each other that is hopefully peaceful and free of dramatics. However, the most recent issue I've been having is over the guest list and +1s. It's gonna be a very big wedding and I felt obligated to invite all of my siblings, obviously, but I'm not really close with my brother. So I didn't really want to give him a +1 invite to bring his husband. All I'm trying to do is limit the amount of people in attendance. It's already gonna be over 300 people. The problem is my fiance is upset about it. He's worried it's gonna look targeted and he feels that we should cut down the list somewhere else. I just don't see what's so wrong about it. But my fiance just keeps getting more and more angry and now he's saying that he doesn't even know who I am anymore. I'm sure he's just saying things out of anger and I know he'll cool down, but I'm not the a-hole here, right? Now, I'm not trying to personally judge OP from this situation because honestly, we don't know if it's targeted or not. But obviously it seems like it is. I mean, how could you invite your own brother but not his husband to the wedding? That doesn't even make sense. And if there's well over 300 people invited, you don't think she could knock off somebody else? Like, is there no friends or distant relatives that she could take off the list? All I'm saying is that you can't invite your brother to your wedding and then say he can't bring his husband. Obviously, it looks targeted. It's hard to give OP an a-hole rating for this one because it is her wedding and it is her brother. So I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments what you think.